Alright, I'm gonna have to speak loudly for this one. Insects everywhere. I'm gonna have to speak loud. We've been walking through this forest for a while now. We got here a couple of hours ago. This is where we are. And I think we've hit the good spot. I'm gonna try to get over here. I don't know what this is called. This is we're again in Amatlan, or around Amatlan, a village in Morelos, Mexico. And I don't know if these waterfalls have a name, but they're pretty cool. Unfortunately, Eric and I are ill prepared to go in them, unlike this guy. We found these two guys 5 minutes after we started walking here. And they're locals and they kind of know where to go. They've got their dogs with them. There's the dogs. And they've kind of been guiding us where to go. This is a really cool place. I would love to jump in this water, but I'm ill-equipped. Pretty cool. Let me try to cross this little creek. Alright. Dry all around. Let's see. Whoops. Very wet and slippery around here. I'm going to try to jump here. Step, wow, cool. There they are. Wow, this is really cool. I would love to jump in. The water's not too deep. Over here it just looks like maybe 2 or 3 feet at the deepest spots. Right here. Ah, it looks pretty deep. He's standing up to his chest. There he goes. So maybe it's about 4 or 5 feet deep. Pretty good. Big difference between like a lot of, I'll get out of the sun, between a lot of these places around here in Morelos, or in Mexico, and I guess a lot of places in the world. The difference between the dry season and the rainy season. In the dry, if you come here probably after October, right through June, this is just going to be a rock. I mean, it's still going to look nice. It's going to be rocks, but there's going to be no water. So it looks very different, and everything you see here that's green, everything that's green is not green from around, yeah, maybe October through, yeah, I guess through around June. So, pretty cool. Morelos, sometimes you get on my nerves, but you make up for it with stuff like this.